Hey everyone, welcome back to Greg's Natural Health, your go-to channel for simple, science-backed ways to feel your best naturally. Today, we're diving into natural health hacks for joint pain. Because nobody's got time for creaky knees or stiff fingers. Whether you're dealing with occasional aches or chronic joint issues, we've got you covered with practical tips to subtract from your lifestyle and powerful remedies to add. Plus, we'll break down the science behind each one and explain the difference between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Let's get moving, pain-free. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. First, let's get clear on what's causing your joint pain. The two most common culprits are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is the wear and tear type. Think of it as your joints getting grumpy from years of use. It happens when cartilage, the cushion between bones, breaks down, causing pain and stiffness. Science shows it's often linked to aging, obesity, or repetitive stress on joints. Rheumatoid arthritis, on the other hand, is an autoimmune condition. Your immune system mistakenly attacks the lining of your joints, causing inflammation, swelling, and pain. It can strike at any age and often affects smaller joints like those in your hands or feet. Knowing which one you're dealing with is key, so check with your doctor for a proper diagnosis. And you should also talk to your doctor before applying any of the following hacks. Now, let's talk about what to subtract from your life to ease the pain. To tame joint pain, start by cutting out inflammation triggers. First up, seed oils like canola, soybean, and corn oil. These are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, which studies show can promote inflammation when overconsumed. Swap them for olive oil or avocado oil. Next, reduce sugars and starches. High blood sugar spikes can worsen inflammation and joint damage, especially in rheumatoid arthritis. A 2017 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy found that cutting refined carbs improved symptoms in patients with inflammatory arthritis. So ditch the soda, white bread, and pastries. Your joints will thank you. Now let's move on to what to add to your life for happier, healthier joints. Let's start with movement. Walking is a game changer for joint health. It's low impact, improves circulation, and strengthens muscles around your joints, reducing stress on them. A 2019 study in Arthritis Care and Research showed that regular walking reduced pain and improved function in osteoarthritis patients. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes most days. Keep it brisk, but comfortable. Weight loss is another big one if you're carrying extra pounds. Every pound you lose takes about 4 pounds of pressure off your knees, according to research from Wake Forest University. Combine walking with a healthy diet, and you're on your way to lighter, less painful joints. Now, let's talk food and supplements. First, adopt an anti-inflammatory diet. Think Mediterranean, lots of veggies, fruits, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory molecules, as shown in a 2020 study in Nutrients. Cabbage is a surprising superstar. It's packed with antioxidants like sulforaphane, which studies suggest can slow cartilage breakdown in osteoarthritis. Add it to salads or stir-fries. Garlic and onions also have anti-inflammatory compounds like allicin, which a 2018 study linked to reduced arthritis symptoms. Turmeric and boswellia are nature's anti-inflammatory heavyweights. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, blocks inflammatory pathways per a 2021 Journal of Medicinal Food study. Boswellia, or Indian frankincense, reduces swelling and pain, especially in osteoarthritis. Try them in supplement form or add turmeric to your cooking. Just pair it with black pepper to boost absorption. Collagen supplements are a must for joint repair. Collagen is a key component of cartilage, and studies like one in Current Medical Research and Opinion, 2016, show collagen peptides can reduce pain and improve joint function. You can also substitute this with bone broth or gelatin drinks. Glucosamine is another classic. It helps rebuild cartilage and lubricate joints, with research supporting its benefits for osteoarthritis. Potassium citrate can help balance your body's pH, reducing acidity that may worsen inflammation. A 2015 study suggested alkaline diets could benefit joint health. Sip it in water or get it from foods like bananas. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, has shown promise in reducing joint stiffness in osteoarthritis, per a 1996 study in Inflammation Research. Finally, vitamin D and calcium are critical for bone health around your joints. Low vitamin D is linked to worse arthritis outcomes, so get some sunshine or take a supplement. Aim for 800 to 2,000 IU daily, but check with your doctor. Now, let's get a bit unconventional. Intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation by lowering inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, according to a 2019 study in Cell. Try a 16-8 fasting schedule, eating within an 8-hour window to give your joints a break from inflammation. Topical magnesium, like a magnesium spray, which is easier than an Epsom salt bath, can relax muscles and reduce joint stiffness. A 2017 study in the Journal of Integrative Medicine found transdermal magnesium improved pain in fibromyalgia patients, and it may help arthritis too. I have a link to one of the sprays I use below. Solomon's seal is a lesser-known herb used traditionally for joint pain. Its mucilage soothes inflamed tissues, and early research suggests it may support connective tissue repair. Try it as a tincture or tea or salve, but consult a professional first. And there you have it, a few natural health hacks to tackle joint pain. Subtract inflammatory culprits like seed oils and sugars, and add movement, anti-inflammatory foods, and targeted supplements like collagen, turmeric, and glucosamine. The science is clear. Small changes can make a big difference. Try one of these hacks this week and let us know how it goes in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more natural health tips. Stay vibrant, stay active, and we'll see you in the next one.